How to remove labels from Google Maps. Hey there, welcome or welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To remove the label of your Google Map, it is very simple. Follow this quick and easy step. Start off by launching your Google Maps in your device. Now over here, make sure that your application is up to date. Now in here, you will see the U icon at the bottom. You need to tap on the U option. From here, you will find your list of favorites, want to go, start places, and labeled. If you wish to remove any of this label, you can just click on it. There you will find the location that you have labeled on. Then to remove it, just tap on the three dot icon next to it and tap on Remove Place. With a simple click, you'll be able to remove the label of your Google Map. Now for some reason, if you cannot perform this step, there might be due to Wi-Fi issue or your application is acting up. To resolve it, press and hold on to the application, head to App Info, then check out Force Stop button and OK. Then head to Storage and Cache and tap on Clear Cache. This will help you to remove any of the issue if you will face it. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.